cannot take credit for it, can only be politics. And this is the season. And I tell him, I put to him today, it is because of where he stands on this political premise. That's why he's coming out to say this.
Don't go there.
I will go there. Your son and you, we know what you are doing. So I will go there. Please.
The point in the whole point in so what's the model, no? And I said this full syndication, no. No. What is the problem?
No, I'm saying that I at the table said, this 10% interest in our year, and I was a minister.
Okay, so these are Dr.
I have gone through this process. I am the leader that took it through the process.
Okay, Dr. Acheampong.
I will take credit and give some part of the credit to my subordinate. But it is disingenuous for you to come out and even attempt to oppose it.
Ye pebosia de aso asame koko no yetimi akoto ye koje sa abosia na syndicated law abribia da ese yekom na yekoda na nipa dodo na kasafa ho. So 2024 nkomo no ye syndicated loan nkomo no e de ne baya Ghana timi gina na so brane aye ntimi ankoje sa abosia but e di djuma ese fata eno mentime ho ase kakra nkomo anaba yenti will be right back. Mamen kona kane cocoa board paying pa no odan era Boahen Aidoo Joseph nkomobia koso na amse menteme ho ase kakra bia ba opeso de nchiremu ba era Aidoo mawache na yeda wasese wajibresa no pay ye bossa enkomi bibia eboko de
bibia eboko
woni da so di cocoa nkomo na chi kakra de
many de chi pa.
Oh, I see. Ansani ebe kohono 2024 se mekaya na nhihye bi ni se ye bomodia se Ghana ebe twe ne ho afri sa ade ye friend bosia ye kogina ama so dia be akotokoko na afi sa aka na be hyensen yekom ti na ye penhihye bi a ye betimi aboa ama sa e haun afri ye so migidi se okaisa na montuo no
asana montio no mian kasa ana mrebai ana montia mi se ebeboa cocoa board na ebeboa Ghana mano nti mian kasa ana mrebai ana mian so na the year ho announcement so mo graphic I think say 22nd August 2024 once I made that front page and announcement in a buy me no announcement no I think it was Monday in the Tuesday thereabouts and a graphic published here.
I see. So now a bit confused here because the presidential hopeful for your party taking over the reins of that ministry, a great ministry, no, talks about akukudra unyaya oma Ghana time train home a free a year sa syndicated loan and she no eba bra bit majina yan kasa ye ho na etimdia boy ho bra in terms of isikasemu no it is saying
my year rebuttal to that ordinary no Jamin can once Nemo no I've been casting na abetu gano if you nyan kasamiho and I'm the buy in this obiba bond no be can say I feel one mum na diaba na wa mum di o mokra on say so obia Ghana for nyina mu say me so no me intellectual na me study university I want to say obo modna na de adwin kase bi ba na obi kokofa sa adwin no one make any reference to you ne momo no oyen sade onu mankasa na de adwin kase ne ba here enyame academically no am intellectually intwayi inti no oko intellectual year I say kono bono to be one day na okofa wabra woman manie on kan ho hwe sanity
na wadaroma who describe it as intellectual theft one play any role ebra say timpo we ebeto ho wan fa susuye bi ama wan ka say yenchi haka kra bi ntume ne say aha ye de so de o kan so a ebeboa enya that collective responsibility na end up ma say ni munyam we ba Ghana ye side
Debbie ono rather no pussy eno na ma ade no ayemia no che say baye no me ne na me hwe ne say we chief executive ana ade ba kwa ya na nse man for Refuting say my minister pen the president for 4 term na me Western Regional minister me di pen na we chief executive we share sector ministers nti say we bibia wono ana so didua no so na ko cabinet we die che say enya dia ade no kra no edu na nimo no na oye interested and edu be no nye say onye interested keke obugui no mpeneso no have to fact it
strange kakra because on peniswa de no koje sa abasobodie no
eno ne ase ende je so no ana minim de but impanyimfo anim asem pa de members mabodi impanyimfo pa impanyimfo titire pa nimo no obi menye so obia ana menka se obi mpo mekasa impanyimfo pa esa asem duro manimo no ibi o manim kura no o se still on peniswa nti no eno na man aye meyam because adia na wo mpeneso na je so na o percent wuku no afidi adia na ba be yi a na the whole thing is say you know modern enya as simple as that ana metema wie no o contact department of economics the economic department Legon head of department Professor Ba Watu any professor bi am koshia o ma me ka che won said me no me nye finance da me geographer into one kwane o nwa say how can a geographer come out with this financial model they didn't believe them so one pa ko geography department Lagos no ko bisa me geographer but idea no I say a banner like a vision on the great ideas in a buy in the form of a vision. And some say, be away scientists are now, so we a back no to move grapona, my ejma. Not then a very complex. O mama kwakuchi much or mono, any presentation, no, and ya as simple as said, I have mocano. Since I'm flat, I'm say, even Coco Bob one count my 7 day. That's a very complex. Design work near the this all my a lot of stakeholders have Ghana. I'm a presentation apart from board any a bang paying for Bilma or model no very complex. To be catch on idea no and to know I'm too much of you or the better. That's no impressive. I said, dear, my personal me and I'm catch on idea about the Ejuma. Na eba de boa masidi no ejina. Ebe boa e masidi no. Njo hwe mra tapa me nyina data nyina ewom. Ana campaign mo no e si be October November no. Be bia me koye bia me akuafo hia bia me kan
FM.
The media for no be ka na me kan wan asem say savings in kwai benya from this model no because okobobo say a interest na interest do 10% and sana interest do 8% and sana commitment fee ubetua ama syndication lenders no arrangement fee even legal fee o kan nyina bom any a country as or coverage the Kobania de Okambomwa about 10% of the loan now koji. Mr. Oka koji loan there 4 billion not 10%. Unko 10% on $4 billion. There's a country that saved $400 million 1 year.
Okay, so remember also, but I want to be very sure what I'm reading here, that all these things here, Noma Ayeka say, Wadarma making kind of has Abia Nebuana, the Bonnie try Trono, Quambiswanje, or say, according to Aidoo, far from being the architect of the reform, Dr. Byran Acheampong was its fiercest opponent. He allegedly resisted the proposal uncompromisingly when it came before the economic management team. He reportedly blocked its cabinet presentation, only later to smuggle in there nicodemously and claim ownership. Aidoo further claimed it took the direct intervention of President Akufo-Addo to prevent Dr. Acheampong from killing the policy altogether. He was the sole dissenting voice when the matter was discussed. For him now to pretend as though he championed it is pure dishonesty. Is that the case? Is that the case?
Now me say, mpanyinfo se asempa 8 year.
Wadaroma, minute bako mesa aba ho gina ahomano sumame. Dr. Byran Acheampong, Member of Parliament, Abetifi, MPP presidential candidate,
Asempa FM
marching.
Mejoso, it's your for nano pay.
Betie for Joso. Nigeria say campaign bibia namne kwanso boko de. So specifically, what were your comments in Tia Ebema, the former Kokobo chief executive Abekase Nyesa ana situation here?
I am extremely surprised at my subordinate say obey even attempt to rebut what I have said. But I can understand politics and me who post and the bar no our support to DNB Mike Aidoo on the Facebook wall. And me aware baby on no regional politically. And you know this is the time where he thinks that he can score points. I was a sector minister 2023 and 2024. 18 months I was a minister. You were the CEO in 2017. Ukoye syndication. 2018, Uye syndication. 2019, Uye syndication. 2020, Uye syndication. 2021, Uye syndication. 2022, Uye syndication. 2023, Uye syndication. 2024. And a 1 year syndication. Maybe by 2023 April. Maybe of course this idea of say and cost syndication, year syndication. It has been with Cocoa Board for a long time. And you will now buy. But I am the sector minister, me buy a memory. And now me push here. The policy to cancel this syndication it's a ministerial policy. It's not a CEO policy. At the time, Sabi, if we are in a boardroom, not issue by PFG, you have very junior people disagreeing on certain aspects of it, minister disagreeing on certain aspects of it, until finally the policy is shaped up and presented to EMT. I, as a sector minister, I am the only one that can present a matter to the economic management team. When I present it to the economic management team and I ask for a meeting, everybody comes. In that meeting, the matters are discussed. You will agree and disagree on certain things until the final polished version is submitted to cabinet. I am the sector minister who championed it in cabinet. How do I nicodemously smuggle something to cabinet before something goes to cabinet, it is referred to as an economic subcommittee, where you go there as a sector minister and defend it. Before it even comes to the main cabinet, where as a sector minister, you defend it. How, where you are not there? If I am opposing something as a sector minister, how will it even get to where it got to? When this matter came before Parliament, Eriko Opokumu Rezi said, syndication na Omaini Bebono. I am the one that stood in Parliament and defended it. So how do you, as my subordinate, come on air and on radio embarrassingly to say that you champion? Yes, you may have contributed. Maybe it may have already been in your mind at some point in time. A secretary may have typed the document. The credit is shared between everybody that worked on this. And in the past, I have given credit to everybody that worked on this policy. And I have praised the president at the time for agreeing to this. But at the minute, the bold leader that took this idea through the processes up to the end was the sector minister. So how do you then come and say that something is dishonest? This is a matter of policy. You, the CEO, there is no way, absolutely no way you can get up and say that you have cancelled this syndication without a minister championing it through a process. So what is the dishonesty? It is quite unfortunate. If you support a candidate, you can go ahead and do that. But you dare not.
Okay, so Doctor,
come on radio and come and talk about dishonesty.
Dr. Byran Acheampong, I think the conversation should be within these parameters. Me wo many swadi huno onyamedi cheme about ishebia me de babeboa magana. I reliance on that syndication every opera company it may rely on in buying some of these things. Me na me de say any swadi huno buy. That's why onya kukuduka say intellectual theft. That's where the conversation is.
He cannot even say that.
Asempa FM.
He cannot say that. The idea not to go for syndication has been on the minds of many people since independence. The idea to construct Accra-Kumasi Road has been on the minds of a lot of people since independence. The person that sits down and says, Chief, if you Ochinekono, Mempesa Yebeko syndication deal. Now, Kase, Mikramajeho, me will document Bidaho, into Mekwa now, Kofaba, you cannot come and say that it is intellectual dishonesty. It is so unfair. It is so unfair that over Adum FME, you hear microphone. Now say, see you, a Kofa microphone, will say, Mina Meka say you hear microphone. But all along now, we say you hear microphone and one Kofa the decision, host, and who champions it. It's a ministerial responsibility. Okay. And it is so unfair. But I can understand why Aidoo at this point will say that.
Dr. Boahen Aidoo, just a minute. Aidoo. I have your ears.
I don't want to engage in any banter with anybody this morning. But the key thing is the media phone in Abekaya on the 22nd of August, me announcement no ye publish here. Ye publish here on more than check it 22nd of August. And on got it publish here. Other people also publish it. As I see radio for can one same the day before. And on can one same. Now, on that very day, not 22nd, no, Honorable Minister for Finance and the Sector Minister, Honorable Dr. Byran Achampong, Omuye press, statements at the press, Minister for Finance in China, and Omu denounce say. Mema babonta be cancer yen cause syndication. It was all over. That time, media for you came back to me, say, Chief, what is happening? Because what about the cancer? 32 years, Yabo Bosiano, what about the crime? The woman says, Roberts, Abontes Obwa, you brought for this indication. And then, no, Minister, the cancer, said, the honor of the idea, but no, the whole thing is a yes. I was subordinate to my minister.
Let me pause with him there.
Subordinate, you know.
Let me pause with him there.
The minister did not quite be fine. But the point in the say, the minister did be called now idea no and you know the buy. No, the back public the claim say, or this idea the buyer. That's the only thing. More so when you oppose the idea.
But by Aidoo,
I want to correct
Aidoo Patrol. What's the issue about on the buy and you're not the buy? Maybe I'm because Uti sector minister then or say a process imposing until you go through that process. Acknowledgement Ayejuma, baby wajine biano, even though there might have been some disagreements, but clearly baby wajine biano, there has been those acknowledgements. Anna untmin kase adiano ode betoa prekope ebia obianin tum mobian criticize mobian kamoshi. And now only say or disagree with you, Nana.
The disagreement now with him, the fact say Adiana Kasa buy and one support. He didn't support it. Mere many media, unless they be a machi. So my chin or Kojitu media, I cannot say. But me many in all the places here in our Mancaseni, places are making winning. Very high level places, sir. Many share on this matter and you oppose it. Very high, very high places. He share was as a winning and he opposed it. I don't want to, public at the camp.
Okay, so Dr. Pachomabasu, just a minute, but so that's it. On August 20th, 2024, the Ghana Cocoa Board announced it will not seek a syndicated loan for the 2024-2025 cocoa crop season, a decision confirmed by ACU. This marked a significant shift after more than 30 years as Cocoa Board moved to replace the traditional syndicated loan model with a decentralized private financing system to purchase cocoa and fund related activities. This is 20th of August 2024. Is that your reference?
Yes.
Dr. Byran Acheampong, with you.
That's it. Senior.
Asempa FM.
Cocoa Board management was co-chaired by at the ministerial level, Minister for Agriculture and Minister for Finance. We are going through a process, a thinking process of how to make this thing work. Without fully briefing the Minister for Finance, without fully going through the EMT and the cabinet process, without fully briefing the President, there was a press statement from the Cocoa Board CEO, which came as we are dealing with any markets near Delhi. Until when you send such signals, you shock the system. You have not gone to Parliament to brief Parliament on what you intend to do. Then, under pressure from other sources, why we have not come to Parliament for a syndication, you go and release, issue a press statement. So to calm the markets, the finance minister held a press briefing and said, any government back in Bia at the time, because we had not completed the process of briefing government. This is a major policy decision. Na wako kasa abra cabinet ana abang and approve it. That is what forced the finance minister to calm the market and the IMF say, Adiano, you take a final decision. Say na ye pese, ye know. And that is why we did that. And then after that, we went through the process of EMT, of cabinet subcommittee, of cabinet to get the approval, and then finally we implemented the policy. In the process of implementing the policy, we had several discussions with the technical team. There were heated debates. Some aspects people agreed, I agreed. Some aspects we disagreed. Like in any other meeting or process of policy formulation, there will be agreements and there will be disagreements. But when it is done, the sector minister is the one that takes it through the process. You take ownership. And when the president, who, apart from cabinet and side meetings by briefings by the minister, in the end, ultimately, the government takes credit. The president takes credit. And then we move on. But to come and say that the minister disagreed on certain aspects of the policy, and therefore the minister cannot take credit for it, can only be politics. And this is the season. And I tell him, I put to him today, it is because of where he stands on this political primaries. That's why he's coming out to say this. Nothing more than that.
Don't go there.
I will go there. Your son and you, we know what you are doing. So I will go there. Please.
The point in the whole point in so what's the model, no? And I said this whole syndication, no. What is the problem?
No, I'm saying that I at the table said, this 10% interest now, and I was the minister.
Okay, so these are Dr.
I have gone through this process. I am the leader that took it through the process.
Okay, Dr. Byran
I will take credit and give some part of the credit to my subordinate. But it is disingenuous for you to come out and even attempt to oppose it, to discredit me. Look at what you did to Kokobo. We will come there as we go along.
Okay, Dr. Byran.
I opposed in the meeting certain aspects of it. I, in the end, championed the full policy.
Dr. Byran,
even if it came through my mind, it will be discussed. People will agree, people will disagree. But you cannot take contents of the meeting and my position on certain aspects of it.
I don't think so.
In the meeting, it is so unfair as a subordinate.
Okay, so Dr. Byran Acheampong. Dr. Byran Acheampong. Dr. Byran Acheampong. Era Aidoo. Pacho Yentuye Boase. In fact, these are revered personalities. Members here go back and forth on this matter. The first point is that the minister feels that once you are a subordinate, there's a process you need to go through. And no namanosa akwanyano I am suspicious. The other one is that I am a subordinate. Yes, I agree, but that idea, that proposal cannot be claimed by you as a sector minister. That's where the contention is. In Timpacho, the records will show.
Yes, subordinate. I agree, say, I'm a technical, person. But the whole thing, technical person, I'm prepared. How comes at the end of what they call cabinet? Not cabinet, the originator of the whole technical thing was not there. How come?
But this is quite a serious question coming from somebody. Your cabinet presentations are always made by ministers. And if a minister does not support or disagrees with something in cabinet, when I am the one presenting it, I will shoot it down. So I don't understand this question. I led the charge in cabinet. How can I go and lead a charge in cabinet for something that I oppose? Please.
What do you present the cabinet? I don't know the call cabinet. And from one out there, the coy, what do you think from the coy?
I mean, you can ask me this question. I am the minister. I took the thing to cabinet and got cabinet approval. If I don't support it, I won't take it to cabinet. I won't get it approved. So I'm not too sure if you understand how policy is formulated.
There be Patron. Let's not Patron. Yera Aidoo. Dr. Byran Acheampong. Please, Patron. So bottom line, Matthew Fon Mashefo will take a good decision on what the conversation is. You guys, Mr. Remo, I am Pese Yabesa and Munyamna Mukutano, Intiasian and Yajman, want to find that key solution. Intellectual theft, and the papa, that's why the word was too harsh. Yeah, your wrap up comments, and now Dr. Byran so funny days also now.
Say intellectually, yeah, because one thing say obi the idea ba. Na say idea no, you know.
Say you didn't got acknowledgement from the minister now. In all the processes, the minister acknowledge say an initiative by.
This is the first time I make say even of the core cabinet. This is the first.
But how can such a policy be implemented without going to cabinet?
Well, what the but how come say when I'm originating I was not aware?
But you how the document of the core cabinet? I don't understand.
You took me to the president.
You took me to the president. Are you talking about an acknowledgement, or you want to say you should have been part of those cabinet decisions?
No, for claiming ownership. Me, I want to have me.
But what is sharing in Anna? We are Boafo Emma the ministry, no. So, Munina
could you a clip now or yeah, no? Could you a clip now? A video, you know, security, no. Anna, you know, me was said me bad near you. It doesn't. It's neither here nor there.
Okay. So, Pacho, Ayeka correct this if it is right or wrong. Dr. Boahen Aidoo took personal credit for the breakthrough, declaring he made the bold decision in 2024 to cancel cocoa syndication. And I quote: "This move proves I am a bold leader, prepared to make difficult but necessary decisions." What? That's your position?
Absolutely.
Okay.
If this whole syndication had failed, the minister will be held responsible. The whole decision to cancel syndication was one that was led by the minister who is in charge of policy for the sector. If it failed, it would be a bad policy decision of mine, and I will take responsibility. If it succeeds, it's going to be a good policy decision of mine to have championed it through. Okay. And there's no ambiguity about that. As a good leader, if the idea comes from you and all your subordinates, from the CEO to the security man at Cocoa Board, everybody contributed in shaping the final policy that was run through EMT and run through cabinet subcommittee and run through cabinet and to parliament. As a good leader, you give everybody credit that worked on it. But ultimately, the decision is the president and the minister, and the credit goes to the government and the president for having adopted this. And if I come out to say that the bold decision to cancel syndication, all these people had been there from 2017. It took me when I came in 2023 to 2024 cancel it. That is a bold decision. One other thing that I take credit for is the cocoa price increase. But that credit is shared between me, the PPLC, the chief executive, and all the subordinates in Cocoa Board. Having increased cocoa pricing that had never been seen in the life of Ghana Cocoa Board and in the farmers. That ultimate decision was the ministers, but credit as a good leader goes to the whole team that worked on it. So it is surprising and shocking for a subordinate to come and say, when we went for a meeting, you disagreed on certain parts of it, and you should not take credit for it
It's all
as a minister. I leave it to him. I leave it to his God and his politics, and we move on. But I am the minister. I am responsible. It happened for my time, and I'll take credit for it, and I'll give a large part of credit to the team, and to the president.
But Dr. Byran Acheampong.
Yes, sir.
Credit for being a minister then, but you also can't avoid it by acknowledging key persons one massa and they were about into
I acknowledge it freely.
What's the big deal?
He's a good leader, Bebao. I acknowledge it. I dish the acknowledgement. Aidoo is one person that I praised every time, because he bought into a lot of the things. Cocoa pricing, when I went in 2023, they wanted to increase cocoa price to 970 when he brought it. I said, Aidoo, you found 1,200. I feel honorable. You beat me the 1,300. I took it to cabinet. The whole thing worked. When it passed, I shared credit to him and his team. I don't have any problem at all. I don't have any problem. He and his team that worked on the technical details of it can take all the credit. But the leader, the bold leader that saw it and took it through EMT, took it through cabinet, subcommittee, took it through cabinet and made sure that this policy was cancelled and we went to without syndication, can solely be that of the minister. If it had been botched, I would be sacked as sector minister, and it will not have been shared with him. I will leave it here, leave it to the God and the politics.
Okay, so Dr. Byran Acheampong, Yenasi, Member of Parliament for Abetifina, MPP presidential candidate, hopeful. Maybe at the appropriate time we'll have that conversation as a flag bearer hopeful. Edasipi, Yera Aidoo, maybe your wrap-up comments, and thank you for the explanation of the my Obaka Bibiana.
Oh, maybe I make a no. This banter no me say a winner, but point now I'm saying making it say on say as in coffee be abetuja na ukushia nkofo na kan say one na wo dey say kese ne ba wa ba nye wo a eho ana na me wo ya wuti no so when na brajin kese ne ba no wo na wo mpene so one person say even adem ebe adwuma afia ne no ya be hu say adem eye adwuma no wo so umum na wo de ba e ho na me ndi ya enti sanje me ma bonte be nia adanso bi bre wo mpanyi fo pa me mpese me bubo mpanyi fo pa da
Badana what challenge with the minister ebra acknowledge say ampa adwentoato ande bebre akoso, but the ultimate responsibility say ankoye yia ankase de so bon bebo minister yemfa mo onyin tulu say that was a bold acceptance say sade we are even Yera Aidoo ade aba no mehwe say ebedi mu because edin susan so papa bebre oman no na de abre aban no na de abre mampan na fe de abre Ghana
ono de ono ankasa nim say bra mo onyin tumu no yenyira ye panyin ni o kan ne say sa na tie dia menko na menko sonhwe say ade no enye adwuma enti dazo menpese enta me say menpese boko me benya banter on this beni nya na say me dia mu manyame nyame ne nim obia adwuma na obia komam so de ensem echo.
Why are you pained?
I'm really pained.
That at this point vehemently or objecting and opposed to what they are banene or be say anymunyam no.
And then my course on the slope, so my catch me mekum. It wasn't so easy for me. I don't kebi and Yankopon don me a some can say me finance will be a 10 more than it be a when I even went to meet the banks, local banks are Ghana, you know, Mushiabi. More than I do actually, but the kind of a year Mishia, you know, Yamini, and now I dance for a woman. A teacher for our money. dance and media no almost in bino. Omni me course. Into me dem manyame.
Hey, and then your Marcoso ministry in the power. And your Marcoso.
Well, me person can be here. What the near Boafo.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
Maminasi.
Asempa FM.
Maminasi.
Woman hene, Babina Sande. Woman hene, Babina Sande. Woman hene, Babina Sande. What I say, what carry I want.
Aka minute in Corona no numu banasa ahaye Asempa 94.7 ekosi se jumedino ana yegusu edi bro.